the school supplies section. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where, where is the school supply section?
I might need to go in another direction.
Well, we'll find it. We'll find it. We're at Wally World. Oh, these are $7. Look at that. It's cocoa butter. Eels soften, relieve tough dry skin. What the hell should I get? Ah, Stacy Campbell. What's up, my darling, my queen? I'm gonna get 2 of them. Is it the same thing?
It looks the same.
It looks the same. I don't. Okay, vitamin E. Okay, eel soften. Okay. All right, we're in Walmart. We want to find the school supply section. We have no idea what we're doing. We want to bless. Good afternoon, Lucina, Phaedra, Andrea. How you doing?
Big up, kings and queens.
You want me to turn it around so I can see it? It's a good Saturday.
Hey.
Hello.
We're out and about. Stacy, big up yourself.
We're in here. We decided to come into Walmart to see if we can get some school supplies to bless somebody's child with. Yeah? We don't know because we love shops, so we see things and we pick up things. Probably things that we don't want. Watch out, that dove here. What is? Pecan crunch.
Pecan butter crunch.
Yeah, scrubber. How good that is.
Butter crunch.
We don't know about that.
We don't know where in here we need to go.
We don't know which path we go, but we're going to walk around together and find it. Yeah. So, yeah, we decided to come bless somebody's child. We don't know who the lucky person going to be.
I think that's outdoor stuff.
Okay, where's school stuff then? Boy, I don't know.
Craft service.
Craft, bath. We going to do Hillary. Good afternoon. Trending drama, Dwayne. I am here seeking silence. Oh, it's past. Let's see where it is. Dwayne, where's your stuff? I don't know. I lost it. Where is Dwayne's stuff? Oh, there it is. I am here seeking silence and a pardon. I'm sorry if I ever said anything that hurt the both of you. I hope we can move on from this. Just know I will always appreciate you both.
Thank you so much, Dwayne.
Thank you, Dwayne. But Dwayne, remember, I believed you when you said to us, especially me, because I used to push Vanilla. I used to be the one to visit your page the most. And I believed you when you used to say to me, I love you with all my heart
and soul.
And when I said I loved you, I meant it. I was really shocked when you came out against us. You know, knowing that we invited you to our platform to participate in the love song competition. We gave you credits for your audience. I was trying to figure out where did we go wrong, you know? There's nothing to forgive. I just knew that one day I kept praying, and I said that on a live. We can go back for that live. I said, I think it was my birthday live. I said, Dwayne, I love you and I'll never curse you. I'm going to sit right here until God works on you, because I always believe you have an amazing story to share with the world, because you remind me of my brother who have lost my younger brother many years ago, who had the same illness as you did. So that's where I got that connection I felt that connection with you. There's nothing to forgive because
we haven't held you up in our hearts.
I haven't held you up in my heart, most certainly. I just hope that you stick with what you're doing, the path that you have taken. We don't hold up people in our hearts. We just, move on and just know that we came genuinely. When you curse us the first time to say that we have our heads up in Planka Boss's ass, and we have an hidden agenda. That part really struck a nerve with me, because the thing is, I don't see where I would need Planka Boss. Think about it. I love her, but I don't need her. It's not like she's Tyler Perry that when I do my masturbate, she can look and say, I'll sign you. I don't need a house. I have houses. I don't need a car. So what would I need Planka Boss for? I don't need fame. So that was really hurtful to hear from you, knowing that you knew that we were genuine. So that's where we were a little bit disappointed. You know what I mean, Dwayne? I think
no hard feelings.
Hard feelings. We have to forgive, because if we want God to forgive us, we have to forgive others. It's not up to me to say it's not real. Your actions will determine that. You know what I'm saying? I think why a lot of people are kind of, Dwayne, on the fence of believing you, because certain little things trigger you, and I hope you're able to get over that, being triggered by simple little stuff.
And sometimes people will say things in the comments to try and get to you, but you have to ignore it. Don't let it get to you. Ignore those negative comments and continue to be positive.
Yeah, we're not the type of people to get involved with when people are having their issues on social media. Not unless you directly come at Chocolate and Vanilla, then we'll we'll come back and say what we have. And not everybody is warrant a response from us. But I'm going to be honest today and tell you the truth. Which one? I'm going to be 1,000% honest with you. I'm Michael. I'm not really paying attention to the comments. Forgive me, guys. I'm just going to be 100% with you, Dwayne. I think the reason there is a comparison between you and 360, and I'm not out here to defend either one of you. I'm just here to split justice in my view. I think what is a little bit harder for folks when it comes to you is because you were so close to Auntie Donna. You understand? You guys had a relationship. You had phone conversations. You used to say, I love her with all my heart and my soul. And I think a lot of people believed you. And to see the path that you have taken when it comes on to her, it was really a shocker. It was a shocker for me. I tell you why it was a shocker for me, because I knew when she saw you, it was out of genuine concern that she reacted, and a lot of us don't remember the Jamaican culture once we're in big foreign. If you go down to Jamaica, if I go down to Jamaica right now and folks been watching my live and there's someone that genuinely cares for Chocolate and they see me and say, okay, when they get to meet me, they saw me with 1 foot, their reaction is gonna be, oh my God, out of concern, oh my God, you have one, my name was Chocolate, have 1 foot, you know what I mean? Me name no one side of Chocolate face swell up. And that doesn't mean that they're trying to hurt us. It means that they're literally concerned because that's not what they were expecting. And I felt like she was just really concerned for you. And it's not like No one was aware of your illness. It's just the fact that she saw it up front and up front and personal, you know what I mean? And out of genuine concern, she was trying to get some answers for you, or to understand, what is this my friend is going through? You understand? And you allowed people, or you allowed yourself, to take it the wrong way, instead of calling her and having that conversation of explaining how that situation made you feel. A lot of us get to big foreign and we forget about our culture, and we cannot compare, because what we can say over here, we can say it freely in Jamaica and there are no consequences. You have to remember that. You know what I'm saying? Now, when I brought up Ashanti, I meant to say that with him, he was never a friend of Planka, of Planka Boss. You understand what I'm saying? He was doing his thing, you know what I'm saying? Doing his thing, saying all the things that he said. But they didn't have a relationship. You understand? So, and the thing with him, once he apologized, his action proves to be in line with his apology. Like I said, I'm not out here to defend Ashanti. We've never spoken. He can curse me tomorrow if he want. I'm just speaking my truth. You can do the same if you want. I can't be a hypocrite. I have to explain things the way I perceive it, the way I see it, and I go by action, because anybody can get up and say all types of nice words to me. I don't watch that. I watch your actions. You understand? So that's why people are a little bit more lenient when it comes to Ashanti, because there was never a relationship. You understand?
They didn't have that.
They never had a friendship. Yes. So my thing to you, Dwayne, is if you're serious, just let your actions speak. And once your action speaks, then who is going to forgive you will forgive you. Who's going to ride with you is going to ride with you. People who genuinely loves you are going to be in your corner. That's all. Yes? So, that's all I have to say. I never planned on coming on here. Yes.
To say anything about that.
And after Ashanti sworn that was it, I've never heard, I don't know if I've missed anything, but I've never heard him go back on his word. So that is the little difference right there. I'm not like I said, I'm not going to revisit the things that came out of your mouth. If you're sorry, you're sorry. We never had you up in our hearts, because we never did anything to you other than support someone that we love and admire. And for you to go to the level of saying that we're cloud chasing with Auntie Donna, we hardly even been out here to make money off of social media. We give back. We never ask for anything. Our love is free. Our love is free. Until she does something deserving of us not loving her, then that's when, and she has to do it, not a supporter of her, not someone in our comment section, not a friend of her, her, not, I won't let anybody, I'm sure not everyone that follows or likes us, or people might have in the back of their heads the things that you've said. We can't prevent that. All we can do is just go with our hearts and do what our hearts tells us to do. And our heart says, support this lady because you've seen her done great things, wonderful things. We fell in love with all of that. There's no hidden agenda. You know what I mean? There's nothing to hide, like, really. What can I say? What can I say? But it's all love, and I just here to pick up some stuff for kids, because look at this. This is $1. Look at all of that. This is $1. We're gonna do our school back to school giveaway with cash. We're not going to say the day we're going to do it because we want real supporters, of course, to benefit from this. We're trying to pick up some stuff today to give back to a lucky parent on our platform for a child. We can't pick up too much because we're not shipping right now to Jamaica. There's just someone going to Jamaica that's going to do us a favor to bring this for the winning child. Right. Zevi Natural, how you doing? So we want to.
I got 4 of these.
How much how much is one?
They're 50 cents each, so this is $2.
Pick up more, $2 and only 4.
I didn't know how much to
pick up some more. Pick up more, about 6 more of those. Yeah. So this is what we love to do. Who've been watching us for a while. Yeah, I'll watch it. Who've been watching us for a while know that we are generous queens. We don't do this for no love. We do it because we know that we could have been in someone else's situation, and we're just fortunate enough that we're not in those types of situations. So we try to help. That's all we come out. We come out here to make people laugh.
I have 10 in total.
10? All right. Good. What else do we need? What else? Gonna give us some ideas, people, on what we can do over there.
Yeah.
What about erasers? What about these over here? What about
binders.
Yeah. What about binders? Do they use binders, guys? I'm already supporting Miss Princess Drive. It's a great idea. Oh, we're not asking for support. Thank you, though. This is for us. This is from us.
Something we're doing.
We don't come on here and ask anyone to donate. We're not a charity. We do this from our pockets.
So here's some newspaper.
I've already donated to like 2 other students already that we did off of live. So this is for our platform. Yeah.
This is filler paper.
Filler paper. How much are those?
87 cents each.
87 cents each. Get like 4 of those. Hopefully, when you ask somebody to bring something for you at Jamaica, and when you show up a 1 whole suitcase, pens, all right?
Those pens are...
Yes, binders, computer paper.
Computer paper, that's on the other side. Sir.
Okay, binder paper, computer paper. Okay, let's roll. They said folders. Did we get any binders?
No.
We need to get binders. These are just $1.68.
These are 87 cents.
Yeah. So how much of them will forget if it's one child? Eh? We should get a size each. We should get one size each of everything.
We don't know. They're 1 inch.
But when I want to send an old suitcase, make the people that don't want to bring nothing down, fill in no more. Or where, yeah, well, this one targeted to Jamaica. I don't know where may talk. But if them win from somewhere else, we just ship it. But may target my country. It was just their independence. The other countries can win cash. Pencils, erasers, sharpeners, those are terrific prices. Yes, them cheap as dirt. Let's get about, how much? 80? Get about 3 of them, or 4. 3.
Different colors?
Yeah, different colors. When I want to load up with the same color.
So we'll get
the most I will always and continue to bless my beautiful aunties in real life. Thank you so much, Stacy. So that means a lot to us. Thank you. A pack of index card. Okay, index card. Where the index? They use them little notepad here too. Let me show now. What about them little notepads here? Do they use stuff like that? Hey, Faith, how are you? Thank you, Verna. Thank you.
Might be on the other side.
All right, let's go.
What about these yellow pads of paper?
What about these papers?
The legal pads.
The legal pads of paper. Do they use stuff like that? Yes. They say yes. Those are $1. Get 4 of them. Yeah. I want suitcase. So I forgot to just pay for the extra suitcase. We don't care. We just pay for it. Yeah.
Okay, so
Marie, my sister, I love you. Thank you so much. We're going around the other aisle. Whatever. All right, here we go. All right, so pens and pencils.
Okay.
And markers.
There are pencils down here.
Yeah, pencils down here. Oh, there are pencils right
These
here.
are $1.54 for 24.
$1.54 for 24.
Yeah.
2 packs would be 48.
48 pencils.
All right, 48 pencils. Blessing. Thank you, Tashi. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Lisa. Big up yourself. Crayons. We should get crayons too. Someone says crayon.
Okay.
We're gonna be back and forth.
Yeah.
Pens. Let's get some
All
pens.
right. Pens. Their pens are right here.
Oh, there are crayons down here.
erasers?
Erasers.
I have 2 kinds of erasers.
How much for them?
This is 47 cents for 2, or the ones that you actually put on
Put
the
on
end
your
of the pencil.
Oh, under the pen.
Pencil is 98 cents. So which ones
Mix
are
them
better?
up. Just mix them. Yeah, mix it up. What a lucky child when we're through with them. Huh?
All right. So that's
Who will it be? Pens. Let's get some pens.
Go down this one.
Okay. Sharpener. They said sharpener too.
Sharpener.
Yeah, sharpener. Pens. Okay. We got pens here. Where are the pens? Right here. Oh. There are pens down there. There are pens all around. We just grab some pens. What are those? Are those markers? Right here, the colorful ones.
They're markers.
Yeah, they said
They're the felt tip markers. They're not really markers.
Oh, okay.
These are pens.
Blue,
black.
Yeah, get both of them. Get blue and black.
I only see the blue.
Get
right
blue.
now.
The black on.
I only see blue. I see red and blue.
There's some more down there. What color are those?
Black. These are the
What
gel
about
pens.
these?
Those are gel pens.
This have a lot of pens in it. We'll just buy one with a lot of pens in it. Yeah, let's get one with a whole bunch
One
of
with a whole
pens.
bunch of pens in it?
Yeah, with a whole bunch of pens.
This has 10 in it.
That's 10. How much in that one?
These are gel pens.
Yeah, gel pens. How much in it?
30.
30 pens
30
are good.
colors.
30 different colors. Yeah, we'll get that one.
And then in this,
Yeah, get 2 of that too.
2 of this.
Just get one of that, the blue, because you have a whole bunch of different colors in that. Karen Blair, tape. They said tape.
Okay.
Thank you guys for helping us. Tape.
It's like copy paper.
Karen, how you doing, sweetheart? Colleen, watching from Barbados. Thank you.
Copy paper.
Copy paper. They need copy paper to people.
That's what they said.
They said copy paper. I mean, 500 sheets.
Yeah.
All right. 500 sheets. What about what are these?
Colored paper.
May I wait for them for L? Black and blue and red pens are essential. So we need red.
No, red too.
Are red in those?
No.
So we need red pens.
There's one. These darker. There's a
Those
red,
are red.
And these are darker red.
Yeah, those are red. Red in there. All right. So we need sharpener. You have highlighters yet? Highlighters.
There's 2 black.
We need highlighters. They said highlighters.
There's these.
Okay. All right. Highlighters. Good.
Yeah, 1 color highlighter.
Or you can get the one with multicolor highlighters in there.
This one has 4 colors in it.
Yeah, get 2 of those. Glue. They said glue. Oh, I know. I saw glue. I saw glue. I'll be right there, Vanilla. See, they have school glue here. I know. I see 2. 2 of them should work for 1 student, right? There. Construction paper. Thank you, guys. Construction. They want construction. Sharpeners. Okay. 47 cents. Kids lose those really quick
So I
though,
got
so we
2.
get 4. Yeah, kids lose them fast. We're doing back to school shopping for a child we don't even know. Ooh, but I hope
Okay.
they'll
So,
appreciate these. We need construction paper, they said.
This isn't construction paper. This is just colored paper.
Second, try the glue stick. Oh,
Glue sticks over
Where the glue sticks are. Oh, so put back the liquid one, or should we keep it too? Should we keep the glue? There is the
You can get
glue.
six.
Glue. Yeah, 6 in that.
What about scissors?
What about scissors? I need scissors. 97 cents for school scissors. Yeah, we'll drop our scissors in there. Glue stick, sharpener, pencil. Yeah, we got those. Pencil. Where a pencil case?
I didn't see the pencil case. There's some more stuff over there too.
Okay, man. Okay, let me look over here.
See the crayons and stuff?
Yeah. Oh, they need crayons. Yeah.
See crayons down there. You can get all these colors.
Okay.
Oh, these are markers.
Those are markers. Where the pencil case? They said pencil case.
See, they have crayons. No,
Aren't these crayons right here?
those are markers.
What are these? Washable markers.
Markers.
Aren't those crayons? These are crayons.
24. Look at 24.
Where is the 24?
Right here.
Okay. All right. We need the what pencil case you guys said? Yeah, we got the scissors. Safety scissors only with the curved edge. Huh.
With what?
With those said school scissors though.
They said school scissors.
Yeah, the one we picked up. They said school scissors.
Said kid scissors.
Yeah, kid scissors. Yeah. Yeah, the edge is curved.
Right-handed use.
Yeah.
Used for either a left-handed child or a right-handed child.
Okay. What we're looking for? The pencil case?
The pencil case. Maybe we missed it.
We don't know where we are though. Jesus help we. A long time me no come school shopping. Years. So me don't know remember when nothing there. Oh. Help me. Pencil case. We're trying to find pencil case. Loose leaf. Yeah, we got loose leaf already, Marie.
Sticky paper.
What about sticky paper? Sticky notes. Yeah, we could do post-its. They use post-its. Vanilla, your pass.
No, I'm looking.
See, they have post.
Index cards right here.
Okay. All right.
Index cards.
Oh, these are 97 cents. Look at that. These are loose paper, but they're the ones with the lines. We got some of those already.
Yeah.
Okay, look. This need a barrel, man. This need about 5 barrels. See what we do.
All right. So index cards.
Right it.
Index cards.
Index cards. When they said sheet protectors.
They have index cards. It comes with 100 cards.
Okay.
So we'll get 2 of them.
Yeah. How much are these ones here?
There's 100 in this.
Yeah, you could get more.
More
down
of these.
Yeah, more down there. Get like 4 of them. Yeah.
And they have both the plain and the line.
Yeah, index card box. What about the box? Yeah, to put the card in. Yeah, why not? What are these?
Colored.
What else we need, guys? Help us. Index card. We got those. We got composition books already. We got how many composition? We got 10 composition books. Oh, whiteout. Yeah, that's a good idea. You know, whiteout. But we'll look for the what we'll look for construction paper and pen holder or pencil holder. One of them. Somebody said that.
Box.
Remember the weight quiz.
You have to keep reminding us.
Yeah, please stop us, somebody. Small staple. Marie, come out of the comment section because you're gonna make me go overweight the people them sitting.
See tape here?
Oh yes, tapes.
They said tape.
Yeah, they did say tape. You know for shop with we, Marie. You're the worst somebody for shop with we. There should go about ruler. We never find a ruler. There's tape. We got tape. Okay. Marie, please get out of the comment section. Because you don't have no limits. And me not have no limits. So me not watch your comments. What about post-its?
They didn't. I didn't see an answer.
Yeah, nobody never respond about.
See, they have different colored ones down here.
Yeah, get
Yellow.
some post-its. Yeah, grab some post-it. Grab post-it. Yeah. Stapler set, ruler, protection sheet.
Who says so? Marie?
No, me not watch Marie come in because she not no limits. Me not watch her.
All right, let's go back down here.
When they're done, we have to go get barrel people. Then say they can't bring it through. What about calculator? But don't people do that on their phone these days?
Yes.
Yeah, we need that. I came in late. How old is the child? We don't know. We don't know what old the child is. This is our platform and we do our back to school giveaway. It's gonna be a package for a child. Marie sent some donation. I'm talking to my sister, y'all. She's in the comment. Send some donation for back to school
Here's
for someone.
a mini stapler.
Yeah. There, mini stapler. Yeah, why not? Drop 2 stapler, try staple. But how much paper that can staple? Here's this bigger one. We'll send those little ones.
15 sheets.
But we'll put a big one in there too. Yeah.
This only does 20 sheets.
In a matter, let's put it in the paintbrush, paint paper. What?
Who says so?
Somebody said paintbrush. What paintbrush? Like when they use paint wall? Oh, what the hell? What about these paper clips? Binder clips. I have a lot of binder clips in my office. I'll full a bag of those. I have a whole bunch of binder clips in my office. Pocket paper folder. Yes, I was thinking about those. Thank you.
What?
Whoever said pocket. What she said?
Pocket
Let me see what she said or Marie said. God, it missed me. What she said? She said scissors. Marie, send the money for all of them things. Oh yeah, tell me forget. How about that? How about that? She's a shopaholic.
Ruler.
Ruler. We're looking for ruler, guys. We're looking for ruler. What about one of them here?
They don't need that. That's a safe.
They look cute though.
This is
Pocket folders. Oh, look at this. That's hot. Stanley drink bottle. Somebody said, check my Zelle. Oh my God, she did Zelle me. Oh, my sister's the best. I can't check it. I'm on the phone doing a live. She send money for true. Something else. But me can't check it. Me up on the phone. What she does?
She sent.
She sent it? Let me see. Oh. Okay, thank you, Marie. So she sent. Okay. Construction paper. We'll look for
And we're looking for pencil holder.
And pencil holder. We're not sitting on in here. Maybe we have to go.
I wonder if there's another
But if we buy the pens so already in the case, not all of that.
Yeah.
I'm stressed.
No, that's not the one they want. That's not what they want.
What is it then?
They want the one where you can hold like all the erasers and pencils. It's a
But
big
we
little
not see
case,
it. Where
no?
there?
Let me see it yet.
Them, what else them you say we need? Jeanette, walk on, queen.
Is there another section for back to school?
There is, but it is extremely condensed now, so most of the stuff is back here, but it is up front by the grocery center checkout.
Okay.
Oh, there's another school section.
Like,
Pens.
I mean, we out.
Oh, you're out of the pencil holder? What else did they say? Construction paper.
There should be some.
Anybody want a Walmart, man? It's the one you help with. Oh, I know him stuff there. See, we walk right past it. $1.49. Oh, okay. Can get 2 of them, 100. Water bottle, them say. Water bottle.
water bottle.
Pencil case are next to Book bag. Oh, so
Well,
go.
they don't have the book bags in this area.
Where if I go find my book bag there? Inside another section.
Up front.
Up front.
Here's
Small
a zipper
facial
pouch.
tip. Zipper pouch she put
But
one.
that's not, see them here.
Oh, she found them. They're behind that thing. We found
See the
them.
pencil case here?
How much of them we need?
They're 97 cents.
Show them.
2.
Yeah. No, him want more bass in him vibe. True man, he need more pep in him step. We need sanitizer? Alright.
We haven't found
Small facial tissue sanitizer, Marie said, yeah? Sanitizer. Okay, we're gonna look for those. Which part the
That's
next?
it for over here.
That's it for over here? We forget anything, guys?
What about the folders? The folders you can put paper in.
Oh,
Not
the paper
not the
folder?
binder, Yeah.
Me not say none. Oh man, shut up now, man. Give me a headache. Paper folder.
Do you have them these without the prongs?
No.
All you
Everything.
have just the prongs.
Oh, okay. Paper folders. Those are plastic.
Those are plastic, but these are paper, but they,
Oh, the paper. Oh.
they got them prongs in them though.
Oh. So what's the difference?
One got prongs and one.
I mean, with the prongs, they have to punch holes.
This don't
Yeah.
have prongs.
Okay.
So this is just the pocket.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh yeah, that's the one we want. So get how much is those?
Should be 25%.
25 cents. Jeez, I want the whole case. Marcus Reed. Folder, jacket, umbrella. What about some rain, Gillette? Huh?
Thank you.
We can't get an umbrella without the rain. Folder, jacket. Yeah, these are jackets.
3, 4,
Are those jackets? Folder jackets?
Yeah.
That's the same
5,
thing? Okay.
7, 8. I got 8. They're 25 cents each.
Okay.
They're all blue, unfortunately, because that's all they have there.
What are those red or what?
They're different. They're different.
But it's the same thing.
But
You
it's
could get
plastic.
some of
It's
those.
plastic,
It's
but
a dollar.
the same, but it's plastic.
Yeah, it's plastic and even better.
I don't think it's a
If they
dollar.
get wet, it's a it says $1. Raincoat, rain. What about some rain? Yeah, we clear on this section.
Thank you so
All right. Somebody said we clear on this section. All right, guys.
We're
you-
going to get 4 of them.
All right. Yeah. Jesus Christ, the amount of space to bring all in. Boy, one suitcase.
Okay.
We're gonna pay for the
Sanitizer,
suitcase.
that's it.
Yeah. Sanitizer. Where? To the left.
Where?
To the left. To the left. Oh. You don't know your left, Vanilla.
That's not.
You don't know your left.
My left today.
We find a Walmart, man.
Oh.
They're gone? Oh,
You have
no.
the smaller one?
It's going to be HBA pharmacy.
Oh, thank you so much for your help, all right? Okay. What about towel or rag? I mean, $2 now, a rag them, yeah. Eh? How about towel? Spread out in a class. Yeah.
You
What?
have to think about the week.
I know. But I mean, come on now. Look on the rag them. Look here, guys. A whole heap of rag this, you know, for $5. Look, whole heap of rag. Come.
I can't follow you.
Lunch. Look, they make cute for kids. What do you think? All right, come. We'll try to find the next section. What them say? What them here? Water bottle? Yeah, these are water bottle right here.
Yeah, 16 on.
Yeah, water bottles. There's blue. But what if it's not a boy? Don't they have them in other color like red or something?
Yeah, the big ones like these.
Them need to drink enough water. But that's pink. We don't know if it's gonna be a girl to win. So they only have blue and pink
That's all I see
and
here.
purple.
That's all
But
I
a
see
girl
here.
could bring blue. Buy them. Buy them. We don't know if it's a girl or a boy. We want a color that either one can use. They have purple. Small. They have purple.
Maybe there's some more down here.
Maybe we can find some more. Make a look. What about Tupperware? Huh? I need Tupperware. Pots. Jeez.
Children's tableware.
Why them black up the aisle like a them alone a shop? Yeah. Alright, so we're trying to find a water bottle. Oh, they have a lot of water bottles over here. Excuse us. I turn up in the road like so nobody else in our shop. Back up. What about thermos? I want thermos? No pots. I was just joking, darling. I know. We're looking for a water bottle. Let me have thermos. Those are all thermos.
No, these aren't thermos.
Oh, those are water bottles?
Like
They're so
sippy cups,
kiddie.
though.
Very kiddie.
Yeah.
Me sure another section here, they them in them there will put thermos. Drop and broke the people them sitting. Yeah. No, I don't like that one. It's clear. Everybody can see what somebody are drinking there. So put them now. I don't just water for water. We want something nice. Where other school section when I talk about? Okay. Come this way. Me now go through crowd. You know, see the line. Jesus God, I saw chocolate isn't easy. What me do now? The people them going like somebody else now shop and cock out and body in the aisle. Yeah. What about backpack? Huh? Yeah. I'd say them alone. No, sir. No, man, I forgot. Where? Okay. Oh. There's a lot more people. Where? There are more stuff, guys. Alright, so El Bueno again. Here we come. Well, oh, these come with like paper clip and stuff like that. Right, guys? Look.
Is that this?
What we did forget? Hello, Queen. Hello, Tanya. Fly Girl, Georgia, what are going? And what will come over? We need the water bottle. What else? What we forget, guys? And we didn't pick it up. Help me. May I read the comments now? Marie, hand sanitizer. Yeah. Look under there, sir. Yeah, white out. Yeah, some more white out here. White
That's
out.
the liquid. The liquid one or the non-liquid one?
We get erase already. We pick up
Liquid or non-liquid
eraser.
white. The liquid tape or the actual
Can do
one?
both. The yeah, we can do both. Oh no. Eraser. We get a ruler. We're supposed to get ruler and water bottle.
Alright.
Ruler. We need ruler. And sanitizer, ruler. Coloring book. We don't know if the person who are going to win it are going to be older than somebody for the coloring book. See, they have, what are these, vanilla? No, we get these already, right? Yeah, we got those already. But look at this kit. 67 pieces in it. It comes with all kinds of stuff. Look at that, guys. It comes with pencil.
It comes
eraser,
with a ruler, sharpener, pencil.
Sharpener.
It comes with 24 crayons, 3 erasers, 5 ballpoint pens, 12-inch ruler, sharpener, scissors, 12 colored pencils, 12 regular pencils, 3 ring binder, pouch,
That would save a lot of space, don't
paper
it?
folder,
Wanna think,
one
guys?
subject, 70 sheets, 3 highlighters, and 2 glue sticks.
And it comes with scissors in there,
And it
crayon
comes
in
with-
there.
Yeah.
So we could remove the things that were already in this kit.
Yep. So
Don't, guys? Yes, perfect. We could remove the
So we have the
scissors
glue
because
sticks.
scissors in there already.
we have the glue sticks.
Glue
Let's
sticks.
keep these.
Yeah, we
them
keep
these.
we keep all of those. But it can make the thing, not that we can cut back on some of my weight if we do it that way, right?
Okay, so we have
Crayon, the
crayons
crayon can
already.
come out, yeah, because it's in there, right,
We
guys?
have you didn't get these aren't in there.
Those aren't in there, right? And no sitting in I can't.
Copy paper.
Copy paper can stay, yeah, cause that not in there.
There's pens, but we got the red and the blue, and this has black and red, so we can put the blue
Yeah, put the
back.
blue back, yeah, cause it's in a this.
It has a sharpener, and we got 2 sharpeners. We got 4 sharpeners.
Yeah, we
So-
can left 2 because it can left 2 and just put back 2 because some is already in a this. Yeah. All right, that's it.
We have the erasers, so we can put back these erasers and keep this.
Yeah, keep the one for the pen because erasers in there. Yeah. When yeah, that looks more like it, don't guys? We'll cut back on some of the single stuff because it's all in one box.
Yep, and it's going to be easier. to
Easier
travel.
to travel with, right?
Yeah, and it
Yeah.
has a ruler in it, so we don't have to look for the ruler.
Yeah, that
The
set
only
is
thing we would
good.
have to look for would
The
be-
water bottle and the hand sanitizer. That's it. Yeah. The glue in it.
There's 2
There's glue. Okay.
glue sticks in there.
All right. All right. So now we do what's a whole heap of pencils? 60 pencils. Mighty God. When them cheap sinting in there when me to go to school at Jamaica. And the pencil gone down to a bump, you know. You hardly can hold in my hand.
I remember those
Because
days.
it's sharp all the way down. Miss Cece, what's up? Yeah, it's
The
sharp.
only thing I didn't see was the water bottle on the hand sanitizer.
We could just go back over where water bottle there and just grab.
Would be over.
We can just grab the blue. I mean, girl can bring a blue. It's just the pink, you know, the boys, some of them will have a problem with. If a girl, then we can still bring the blue. Yeah. Yeah, man, when me in a school, you know what I mean? And sharpen down the pencil all the way down to where rubber there. And it's hard for holding in your hand because it's sharpened down so
You
much.
get blisters on
Yeah.
your finger.
God is good. Vanilla, I don't want you to participate and go on like we have the same childhood. Stay out of this. Because of foreign, you're there. There's no reason for you to have that. Then get stuff up here free. What you talk about? She love going like me and her experience the same childhood, the same me back up from her. I can't take when she do that. Because I know it's nowhere like mine. What should I? If me talk about racism, I'm going like people racist against him like me. And that's so far from the truth. I'm a friend, but me have to knock him down when he come with them father. Because there's no way me can experience the same type of racism. Anything me say I have the same experience. It no matter America this, you get there a lot of things where you get. But for a couple cents vanilla, you want of it like that. There's no way you can tell me. Everything me experience the same thing. Watching the mad self, watch him. Watch him. Come mad self. I know you want to be twin with me, but come on now. What about her? There it is. Okay. And sanitizer. She is my friend. A mad friend, man. You want to have a full Jamaica next year. Can't go back in time. You understand? Yeah. You jump off a river, you jump off in a pool. I don't know, what do you? I mean, you wear your baggy with the side title. Tell me that. Tell me. So you wear your baggy with the side title. Lie. Damn lie. Now wear your baggy with the tie and a bump on the side. And time me boss. You know? Lie. Look it up. You understand? Lie, parts of fire. You just don't want me to feel like you may live better than me. And that, you know. You don't want me to feel like you live better than me. I don't know nothing because I love for my life. I have to go on, so. I have fun. I run a river, I jump off. You jump off in a pool with floating device by your arm. Them. One time me jump off in a river, them have to try and catch me before me drown. I'm going to tell him that now. He say, when I jump off in a pool, he almost drowned too. Can't bother. Anybody want a friend? Them have some small like deodorant. Oh, these are tissue. Kleenex. Then I use Kleenex too. Yeah? What team is it? Yes, me up here and I'm steak and I down there and I'm ton cornmeal with sugar. I'm gonna tell him now, oh, but my steak wasn't all that. You know, oh, you remember I steak for so long. My steak wasn't all that. You know, we didn't have seasoning to put on our steak. So see, I live rough too. Yo, accept your good life and allow me. Me happy in a little poor life. I can't try to pour down your thing like for me. You understand me? I try to pour down your thing like for me. It's like a poorness competition. Who wants?
Get the two of them?
Yeah.
Or one?
You get a big one?
That's what I was asking.
Yeah, get the big one.
And the small one, or just the...
Yeah, just the big one. Yeah. Who want to compete? All right, ma'am, no problem. Look at you, you're cute. You're so cute. Just like vanilla when you should get older. Look on yourself. That's her. Who want to compete with somebody for poorness? You ever bought nobody's sister? People always want to show off that they're rich. Not this together. You want in a poorness competition. Who did poorer? God damn it. It's not her fault she had it. Right, out of your fault she comfortable. But she go like a fear fault. Come Vanilla, you bet?
No, me, I wait for you.
Oh, come, let's go, Vanilla. What else you want to pick up, bestie? You want to buy me something for my kindness? Yeah, cut your eye, but what about the toothbrush? $1 for them, you know? $1 for them.
We're going to get one child one.
Yeah, we can mix it up. Get child and adult. That's $1. That's $1, Vanilla. What about toothpick? 20 things that you chop in them teeth. Floss. The toothpick with a floss. Alright, come I could get to Ella hot.
No more. No more.
Nothing more?
No.
What about when they have coil? What about day quill?
Come on.
Night quill?
Come on.
Alright. Jesus. What about this? This a lax for diarrhea? Alright, it's softened stools. Vanilla.
So you want the picnic for our school and just release it?
Okay. What about vitamins? Okay. Yeah. You switch up on our shopping is shopping is fun. We're going over Bath and Body Works. Are we done? You not come with me? We're going Bath and Body. What about alcohol? What about these? vitamin for your immune system. You know what I mean? Raincoat. Somebody say raincoat. Vanilla. Raincoat. Which part we gonna find that? Raincoat. We don't know what size. What size raincoat? And which part we find that? Sir, you working here? Where are the raincoats?
Raincoats.
Yeah.
Raincoats. One thing I ain't never seen.
You've never seen a raincoat?
No, not in here.
Not in here? Huh?
Raincoat. I honestly can't tell you.
You don't know? Okay.
Red here. She can tell you.
Who?
Walking over here on this.
I don't see anybody. You see somebody?
Yeah, I see you.
Huh?
But anybody in the blue shirt?
You guys working with ghosts in here? I don't see nobody.
Yeah, she's down there. But anybody in the blue shirt can help you though.
Oh, everybody in the... Oh, so you don't work here. You're just kidding. Oh, you're security. Okay. One size fit all. Not raincoat. Not raincoat. Umbrella. Oh. Umbrella. Umbrella. Which one I will find that? Umbrella. Umbrella. We have to go ask somebody. We don't know which one to find umbrella. I'm going to buy a book bag them in there. Them look like so them will rip apart if you put anything too heavy in there. You know, you see that? Yeah, that's why I don't know nothing they can turn up one place all damn day and damn. Alright, we're going to look for umbrella then. We must can't find umbrella. Can't ask somebody where umbrella them there. Maybe small umbrella, okay. Or by accessories. Which part that there? Accessories. Oh, there's a lady right here. Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me. Where are the umbrellas?
Umbrellas.
Where?
On the opposite side of the fitting room.
Oh, the side of the fitting room. Okay, thank you. Two bread. Umbrella under my... Watch him, see that? Under my umbrella. By the hats. You did... Yes, we get the sanitizer, the hand sanitizer. We got that. We got the hand sanitizer. We just want to find the umbrella. I don't like the backpacks in here, guys. They look like they're not quality. Like if you put too much stuff in there, will pop open. We'll get one somewhere else. I mean, I know them the brand now. How can I brand backpack them now? Come back. Watch it, love. Umbrella.
Where are your umbrellas?
Thank you. Look at this little Rasta. He's gonna take us there. Isn't he cute?
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Oh, right here.
There's a unit. Could do black.
They said small one. Here's a green and black one. Perfect. Jamaica color.
They have these.
Which ones? Oh yeah, those are really compact and small.
And it comes with a little bag.
It comes with a little bag. Cool. That's even better. We like things that comes with a little bag. Check Costa. They usually have good backpack. That's what Marie said. Costco? Okay, we'll go to Costco. Not today though. I'm going to Bath and Body Works. I need Bath and Body Works lotion and stuff. All right, we're gonna get up on out of Wally World. It was a pleasure, Wally World. Look at that lady. Where we going? Oh, so now check out this. Oh, all right, got black. We got black. Those little umbrella not strong. Not true, man. Not strong. I have umbrella. I put one strong one with it. I have few umbrellas. Some nice umbrellas. I'll put one on my trunk one with it. How about that? We need anything up here, people? Lip balm. What about lip stuff? Thank you, thank you. We're proud of ourselves. We're so proud of ourselves. Alright, when we reach back, I'm making us to say we cash out, because if we got to turn off the camera now, then so then gonna put back all I sitting them on a pay for, you know, them miserable people on social media turn. Them miserable. Miserable. Miserable gum. Somebody put gum. Miserable. Them miserable. Okay, may I help you take
Hold
out?
on, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Listen to it.
You want to do everything. I can't help. I can help, you know, me and them work, you know. Can't help the vanilla. Are you still vexed? Kai, comedy poorer than you.
What did you say that? What the foolishness.
Oh, Jesus.
Hold on, wait.
I'm like a thing I can fit there, vanilla. You're not the mother of me.
I never said I would.
Okay? My mother did name Sylvia. Your name is not Sylvia. You hold the camera. But yeah, but I want help take out the sitting them so I want to feel like me help. I don't just want pay, I want help. Understand? What you say? Oh, we're gonna carry smokes. And the award for the poorer life goes to Vanilla. Okay, we're gonna go to Costco, people. Yes, talk it, hold the camera steady. Tap your eyes on my head, wanna come like Vanilla. That's Vanilla. Don't make me on a follow like me and Vanilla. Cause she ain't poor like me. Happy Saturday Nation, what I go on? Vanilla don't master bacon, man. Don't pay master bacon. Vanilla. Oh, wait till she catch all of them now. Cut off the camera and go. When I come back in, we're going to shop together in Bath and Body Work. Yeah? Nation Vanilla don't pay. Yeah, we're gonna do our back to school giveaway. Don't worry, Queen. I'm not gonna put the camera on you, okay, Queen? Don't worry.
No problem.
Yeah, because I don't want the men's to run up in here. All the men want to date you and stuff. I don't want that for you. I don't want Walmart to fire you because a whole line of men.
You on live?
Yeah, we put you on live and a whole bunch of men be running up in here.
What is it like?
Huh? Facebook. Yeah.
A lot of people in there?
A lot of kings up in here too. You want them to see that booty of yours. You understand? Yeah. See one of them already on here. Show her. Wanna see? I'm like, no, she's married. She's married.
Definitely not married. But
Oh, you're not married? Oh, jeez.
She said she's not married.
Oh, you're not married.
I'm 21.
You're 21?
Yes.
Oh, you do look like about 20. Yeah. There she is. She's fabulous. Yeah. She is fabulous. Queenie, we're gonna take away all the Walmart bags today. Yeah. She got
Did
booty.
you get on lock every day?
No.
No.
Not every. Yeah, it's chocolate and vanilla BFF.
Oh, okay.
So if you ever want to watch us, we're best friends.
Really?
Yeah, but
you guys,
she's
like, do it together?
yeah, but she's very bossy. That one over there.
Try the
Yeah.
other way around.
Yeah, very bossy. Yeah.
So what is it, like a together page?
Yeah, yeah, because we're best friends. We're like sisters.
So
Yeah.
you do like content.
Yeah, we do contents. Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, but she's pretty bossy. I'm thinking about just let her be, you know? She's very bossy. Yeah.
And so what is it like content like? Just best friend stuff?
Yeah, different things, you know. But we do praise and worship too.
Oh, really?
Yes, on Sundays.
That's good.
I'm just kidding. She's not bossy. I just love giving her a hard time.
And I don't pay any attention.
Oh,
Because I know exactly how she is.
Oh God. All right, Queens, we're gonna come back. All right, when we get to Bath and Body Works. All right. Love you guys. Oh, hope you had a wonderful time shopping with us. I'm gonna wait till the last thing goes in. When them see the total, they'll be like, not a backside. They will be like, not a back foot. There's the last thing. Yes. Bye-bye. All right. Thank you. Thank you, guys.